city of Mumbai. Mumbai is our sister city for 45 years. And I'm very pleased to have one of the actors who portrayed in the movie Silver Lining Playbook here. We have Mr. Kerr right here. Welcome to Los Angeles, California. All this is to the record that we have this special guest who was here in front of the city council. So I just want to really welcome you here. I want to say, I'm Kerr to the Los Angeles City Hall.
Well, it's a great honor for me to be part of this proclamation that's bestowed upon my LSCT. The best part about cinema is that it doesn't have any barriers of language, of race, it only depends on pure emotions. And LA being the capital city of entertainment world and Mumbai being the capital city of India, I think there's a great connection, and I think my work for children and the honor that I've given for my work for children is much more important to me than 460 films that I've done in the last 29 years of my career. So that's what is important to me, and I'm thankful to all of you for this great honor. And it's also, I'm thankful to my people in India for making my dream come true of being in the same frame as Robert De Niro. I think that's fantastic. Thank you very much.
I think it's one of the best honors that I have been bestowed upon. I think to be given a proclamation by the city of LA, which is the international capital of entertainment business, to an actor from India primarily. But then, as I said inside, that there is cinema has no languages, it has no caste, it has no rich, it has no poor. You only depend on pure emotions, whether you are crying or whether you are happy or whether you are jealous or whether you are hating. Or that is what cinema projects, and that's why there are no boundaries. I'm very happy that this honor has been given to me, and on a day when Dick Van Dyke also is being given the same honor. So it makes me doubly happy because I'm a great fan of his. At the SAG Awards, he was given the Lifetime Achievement Award. I was there, and so that's it. So this is going to get a place of pride in my office. Yes, I love this bond with the city of LA. I love being part of Silver Linings Playbook, which gave me this platform. It's fantastic. I think thanks to my producers of Silver Linings Playbook, thanks to the entire cast, the director, the Weinstein Company, for giving me an opportunity to be part of this wonderful film. And this journey with this film has been so fantastic. And the journey to end here with this proclamation, what else can one ask for? I want to thank God for that, because it doesn't happen. You can't plan these things. They just happen. And it's happened, and I'm happy that it happened in a lifetime of mine. The millions of people who want to be an actor, and millions of people who want to do something like that. And I am God's chosen one in this case. So I feel humbled and honored. I do a lot of work with children because I think there is much more to life than just cinema and acting. Cinema is part of me, but as a person, I feel very strongly towards underprivileged children. I feel very strongly towards the education of children in India. I'm a brand ambassador of Pratham. I'm a brand ambassador of an organization called Shiksha. My own foundation, Anupam Kher Foundation, does a lot of work because I think if children are educated, they can take care of their lives. So it's important. It's important to all the viewers who are watching this that they need to sort of go out of their way to help such children, and it doesn't need much to make them happy. My play that I do based on my autobiography is called Kuch Bhi Ho Sakta Hai, which means anything is possible. So being honored here is part of that philosophy of mine that anything is possible. You have to just keep your heart open to such occasions.